Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Cleaning the indoor evaporator coil with compressed air will blow dust and debris inside the home. Using compressed air can be a quick and reasonably effective method to remove surface dust, dirt and debris from the coil.
Take our lead.
It'll cost anywhere from $100 to $400 to clean your AC coils as a standalone service. For highest system efficiency, get this done every year and up to once per month. Condenser coil cleaning, the one located outside your home, happens during your annual AC tune-up for $75 to $200.
Make your mark, take our lead.
About 1/2 to 1 cup of bleach to a gallon of water works very well. Never use acid-based chemicals to clean your coils. Dust and dirt build up on the inside of the coils. After spraying and carefully brushing the coils, I sprayed everything with a bleach water mixture.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.